So we're working on a section right now on a parent's privilege to use corporal punishment to discipline a child. And there's a lot of case law on this. In every jurisdiction, it's lawful to at least use reasonable amount of corporal punishment. And there's a whole range of cases. Typically the cases where a parent just spanks the child, on the bottom, on a fully clothed bottom, those don't go to court, but actually some state statutes specify that that's permissible. And then you have all the way up to the egregious cases where it's clearly not a question of discipline, it's a question of abuse of the child. So really this section on corporal punishment goes to this core issue that we're all struggling with, which is that family law is trying to both protect children from harm, but also protect families and respect families, their family privacy, family integrity, because when the state steps in, sometimes the very integrity of the family can be destroyed if you remove a child, and the ultimate sanction for parents is to terminate the parental rights to a child. So a lot is at stake, and this is what the law is trying to do, is protect the child and also protect family integrity. And at the same time, in our country, and this is rooted in the constitutional protection for families, is to respect pluralism. And so there are a lot of different family practices in the United States that many people might not agree with and certainly wouldn't follow for their own families, but the Constitution says so long as you are not crossing a boundary, and this is part of what the Restatement is about, is trying to articulate that boundary, parents can raise children as they see fit.
It's a very sort of conventional idea that children's rights and parental rights are in conflict, and when parental rights are protected, we are disserving or disregarding children's interests or children's rights. The view of the reporters, I think, across the board is that parental rights, properly articulated and understood, serve children's interests and are very much in line with children's rights.